Alrighty then, so we're still working on 13.1. Instead of just having some points listed, we actually have our points listed in a table of values. Excuse me. So this table of values, something like a t-table, simply lists my x-coordinate and my y-coordinate. So it might look a little different, but it's actually very similar to what we've been working with. In this case, though, we are given 3 points to work with instead of just 2, but I really just need the 2. Please make sure you refer to those 3 steps listed above to help you solve or follow along as I solve these examples. So first thing, we're supposed to find that point where x equals 0. That's the first thing I noticed. Where is that point? X equals 0. So when x equals 0, y is 1. So working through that, here's some of my thoughts as I go through. So when x equals 0, I have discovered that that gives me my a value. So when x equals 0, that leads me to a equals 1. So there's one part of that special y equals ar to the x. I got to find these two special values. So I've got that. Now I need to pick a second point, figure out what the r value is. So in this case, it's always easiest if you pick when x equals 1, as mentioned in the instructions above. So with that in mind, let's substitute that information into my basic form. So using this point here, y is 2. We said that a was 1 from the step earlier. We don't know what r is, but we do know that the corresponding x value is 1. So with that in mind, let's simplify this. And now I have a and r, except I made a mistake. That's a 2. So plug this into my basic form. Y equals a, in this case 1, r, which I found was 2, raised to the x power. So stay tuned, we'll work I and j out next.